Who gets this orange? A or B? What happens to this orange by the time A wants to get it or B wants to get it? Let's see three different dispute resolution methods by which A and B tries to get this orange. Number one, courts, litigation. Here, A and B will fight for this orange, asking the court to declare that this orange belongs to either of the party. So here the judge will hear both the parties and all the evidences and finally give a final judgment whether this orange belongs to A or B. But in real time scenario, what happens is, because of the long process of the courts, by the time the orange is being awarded to A or B, the orange is actually rotten. Number two, arbitration. Here both the parties A and B would have jointly entered into a contract that in case of any dispute between them, they would choose arbitration and not litigation. Here they both will appoint an arbitrator who is equivalent to a judge, and the arbitrator will finally pass an award which is equal to a judgment, where it is very similar to litigation. Both the parties were heard and the arbitrator will finally give an award that is binding whether this orange goes to A or B. The only thing between litigation and arbitration is that this orange would have reached A or B in a much faster time. The third dispute resolution method is mediation or conciliation. Here both the parties A and B jointly appoint a mediator or a conciliator to resolve their dispute. Here what happens is, previously we would have seen either the orange goes to A or B in both litigation as well as arbitration. Whereas in a mediation or a conciliation, what happens is the mediator will try to make the parties understand why they need the orange. Let's assume A needs the orange for a juice, to extract juice from the pulp and give it to his customer, and B needs the orange to peel and make facial products out of it. So both of them need the same orange, but the need is actually different. A needs the pulp and B needs the peel. So in this process, it is possible that they can jointly come up with a settlement agreement where the pulp is given to A and whereas the peel is given to B. In this way, the dispute is actually settled completely and both their needs are fully satisfied. So this kind of resolution can take place only in mediation or conciliation process, whereas in arbitration and litigation, this entire orange will go to either A or B. So this is the kind of dispute resolution process most of the Fortune 500 companies opt out before going to an adversarial process. Though they either choose a mediation and conciliation first. If it doesn't work out, then they go to litigation or arbitration. Video, like it, comment. If you have any doubts, comment and share this video. And also don't forget to follow lawyer Vishal Subhas for more real estate and legal advice.